Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, let's hold our power button, ignore garbage AI. And from here you're gonna select restart. Now when you do, the moment you press on the restart button, you then want to start holding power button and volume up at the same time. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Now in here we have a couple options like restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which consists of factory reset and wipe cache partition, update mode and save mode. So anyway, I want to leave this mode, so I'm going to select restart. And like I mentioned, this will now boot me back up into Android. Now one could argue that this isn't Android, but let's be honest, it is. It's just the skin of it. So it just doesn't come with Google Play services. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.